Hello जी, welcome back to another video. मेरा नाम है संस्कार सक्सेना and here I am making videos on freelancing, self-growth and how you can grow as an individual by building your online presence still being in college. So जैसा कि आपने टॉपिक पढ़ लिया होगा which is related to Coursera and how you can get certificates for free, and I'm going to show you two ways on how you can definitely get the official certificate for free. Alright, so इस वीडियो में we will discuss upon two things because it's hard. Coursera I think कुछ फीस भी चार्ज करते हैं about like a couple of dollars. So for us like who live in India, it becomes difficult to give money always and get those certificates. So before you go ahead, make sure that you like the video and it helps me a lot to bring you more such videos for you in the future. So basically one of the way is to really go for their free certificates in which they offer certificates for you at no cost, and वो आपको directly certificates provide कर देते हैं as soon as you finish up with the course. बट देन ऑब्वियसली उन ऐसे कोर्सेज की क्वांटिटी बहुत कम है कोर्सेरा पे एंड दे डोंट प्रोवाइड मच कोर्सेज रिलेटेड टू दैट, बट दिस कुड बी अ वन वे इफ फॉर एग्जांपल लेट्स से यू आर रेडी टू टेक अ कोर्स इन द आर्ट्स एंड ह्यूमैनिटीज फील्ड एंड लेट्स से यू आर टेकिंग अ कोर्स ऑफ साइकोलॉजी, राइट. तो उसमें कुछ ऐसे कोर्सेज अवेलेबल हैं जिसमें वो आपसे फीस नहीं मांगते एट द फ्रंट एंड यू कैन डेफिनेटली गो विद इट, एंड आपने जैसे कोर्स खत्म किया यू विल डेफिनेटली गेट द सर्टिफिकेट्स राइट अवे. दिस इज एन ऑप्शन विच यू कैन गो फॉर. दिस ऑप्शन इज नॉट मच वायबल बिकॉज फिर यहाँ पे हमारे काफ़ी सी हमें लिमिटेशंस हो जाती हैं कि जिस वजह से वी कैन नॉट परचेज अ कोर्स विच वी वॉन्ट टू टेक, राइट. नाउ the second way certificate is the very most interesting, and this is what I have done for myself when I was taking a couple of courses on the Coursera. Trust me, it really works well. That is by applying for financial aid on their website. So you have to just open the website, go to that financial aid tab and just scroll it down. Like I think it will be in somewhere in the near the footer. Say you have a specific X course, and what you can do, you open that course, right? For clicking on that enrolling button, what you need to do is there will be an option available with financial aid available. It will be shown like that, just with written with white letters. So you have to click on that. You will be directed to place where you have to fill a form जिसमें वो आपकी सारी डिटेल्स मांगेंगे like name, address, what you do, how much do you earn. Now that's the play where you need to take off कि जिस टैब में आपको लिखना है how much do you earn, तो उसमें you have to write $0. अब उससे क्या होगा, like they will come to know कि okay, as you are a college student, as you are not earning right now, so you can't really afford to pay that certificate fee at the upfront. Alright, so अब एक बार आपने ये चीज़ फॉर्म फिल कर दी, so it will take up to like 6, 7, 8 days, and वो आपकी रिक्वेस्ट को रिव्यू करेंगे अच्छे से, then boom, you will be approved on the basis of financial aid, and जिस वजह से आपको आपका सर्टिफिकेट बहुत जल्दी मिल जाएगा. Obviously I don't know will it work for multiple courses or not, like at straight ones, but definitely you do courses at a very like stipulated time frames, then definitely it's gonna work for you, because I personally did this technique for I think 3 or 4 courses, yeah. So it has worked for me really well, and I really think that it will work for you as well. So yes, this was a way how you can really go for certificates for free over Coursera, and I really believe that their courses are really great. Not in all the domains, but definitely if you have to go for the domains in tech, marketing and psychology, for these 3 domains, their courses are absolutely great. Like I really believe that Coursera is an amazing website where you can definitely go for and do courses at absolutely your own pace. And yeah, that was it for today's video. Please make sure that you consider subscribing to this channel, because I'm gonna come up with such amazing future videos or hacks you can say in the upcoming days, and I just want to make sure that you do not miss these things because it can be really proved valuable to you. So yes, अगर आपने यहाँ तक इस वीडियो को देखा है तो I would like you to like this video, share it with your friends, and till then stay happy, stay blessed. Cheers.